Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to compare, and this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2. Even the Realme X1 Max also received the software update I think few weeks back. So let's see what is the default we are getting and what is the company they are claiming. So every time I get a software update, the first question all the users they will be asking about the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS. That's a common question. And the second is about the touch sampling rate. Did the company enable higher touch sampling rate or not? That is what. So by default, the OnePlus Nord 2 comes with the 180 Hz touch sampling rate. The Realme X1 Max comes with the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. But the phones companies, the UI, they will not allow you to use that higher touch sampling rate. They are limited to only 120 Hz and 240 Hz. So that is what I'm going to exactly show you in this kind of demonstration. Even after the recent software updates, there's nothing much got improved. So I'm not sure when it will get improved. And basically, the OnePlus Nord 2, this is the only problem in the OnePlus Nord 2. I did not see this problem in any other OnePlus phone. For example, OnePlus 8T or OnePlus 9R or OnePlus Nord CE, I did not see any problem. The moment the OnePlus UI got mixed with the color UI, then it got problem with the touch sampling rate. Yes, the default, it became low. So in the OnePlus Nord CE, I used to get really good 180 Hz touch sampling rate without any kind of issues. Out of the box, it's enabled. But right now, it's not the case. Even in the Realme X1 Max as well. You're seeing right now, in the Realme X1 Max is about 360. But 360 minus 120 Hz touch sampling rate, you will get around close to 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. In the OnePlus Nord 2, you're getting about 210 touch sampling rate. So 210 minus 90, you're getting 120 Hz touch sampling rate in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see friends clearly, after the recent software update, still there is nothing much has changed in terms of the touch sampling rate. So this is one thing which we should definitely understand. I'm not sure when they'll be fixing out, and I don't have any kind of hopes on this whether they'll be fixing it very soon. But till then, we'll need to use with the 120 Hz and 240 Hz in this both phones. So thank you for watching this video friends. I thought of clearing all the doubts what the users are having actually regarding the touch sampling rate confusion. So just by clearing and sharing the information with you all. So as I said, did not happen with other OnePlus phones. I do have the OnePlus phones. I did use a lot of OnePlus phones. I did not face these issues, but only facing in the OnePlus Nord 2 only restriction of the touch sampling rate. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.